WYFF News 4 investigates as former Spartanburg County Sheriff Chuck Wright appeared in federal court today for an arraignment hearing. But we begin now in Greenville County, where that hearing took place alongside two other defendants.
This was Wright's first appearance since federal charges were brought against him about a month ago. Our Ray Arena was in the courtroom for that hearing and is live at the federal courthouse. Ray?
Carol, Nigel, all three defendants were stoic as they each waived their indictments inside a federal court earlier today. That means that this case will now go straight to a federal district judge for a plea hearing in just a few days.
Former Spartanburg County Sheriff Chuck Wright remaining silent.
Anything you want to say, Chuck?
As he walks out of the Greenville Federal Courthouse following an arraignment.
I'm notifying of the charges, notifying of your rights, waiving certain rights today, presentment to the grand jury, and setting bond. And that's the only purpose today.
Wright and alleged co-conspirators Amos Durham and Lawson Watson were granted a $25,000 unsecured bond with standard conditions.
Standard conditions are you can't leave the state while you're charged with this crime. You can't possess firearms. In cases where there's a victim, there'll be no victim contact.
Former U.S. Attorney and former 13th Circuit Solicitor Walt Wilkins says an unsecured bond means the defendants didn't have to put down any collateral.
If they don't show up, the government can go after them for the $25,000.
Wright is also required to participate in a substance abuse program. Attorney Frank Epps represents Amos Durham.
I was very pleased with it. You always want your client to be able to be out to work on the case with you rather than to be in custody.
The former sheriff faces 3 federal charges: conspiracy to commit theft, wire fraud conspiracy, and obtaining controlled substances such as painkillers by misrepresentation.
In this particular case, they're probably looking at 36 to 47, 50 months in that particular range, but there'll be motions by the defense to go lower than a potential range and a variance below to something as low as probation.
A plea hearing for all 3 defendants is scheduled for Thursday.
I can just tell you that on Thursday we're prepared to go forward and bring this to a resolution if that's what the judge wants us to do.
All 3 defendants have already filed paperwork stating that they do intend to plead guilty to their charges. That hearing is scheduled for 10 a.m. inside a federal court in Anderson, and Wilkins says that sentencing will happen at a later date. Reporting live in Greenville, Ray Arena, WYFF News 4.
Ray, thank you. The events that led to former Sheriff Chuck Wright in court today started in April.
On April 1st, Wright took an indefinite leave of absence citing medical reasons. According to State Senator Josh Kimbrell, it was announced as Wright was being investigated by agencies including the FBI.
On May 11th, Wright was spotted over Mother's Day weekend attending church wearing his sheriff's badge and a firearm on his side. Wright returned to work on May 20th, but 3 days later resigned as Spartanburg County Sheriff.
Then on September 25th, federal charges were filed against Wright. He was accused of conspiring to embezzle funds from the sheriff's office, wire fraud, and obtaining controlled substances by misrepresentation.
We have a full timeline into the investigation of Chuck Wright and an in-depth look at his alleged misuse of public funds right now on WYFF4.com.